Welcome back to my channel Score and Shine. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the Agri Current Affairs of May 2021. Well, and the first CA is MCCIA with NABARD launches first Agriculture Export Center. Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture in partnership with National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development launched India's first Export Facilitation Center in Pune, Maharashtra. This center was virtually inaugurated by Dr. G.R. Chintala sir, who is the chairman of NABARD. This center acts as an one-stop shop for the export of agricultural food productions. India ranks 13th in world in agricultural exports. And the next CA is government targets food grain production of 307 million tons for the financial year 2021 to 2022. This was announced by Narendra Singh Tomar sir during the inauguration of the National Conference on Agriculture for Kharif campaign, which was virtually held on April 30, 2021. Under this target, seasonal target was set up where the target for Kharif season is 151.43 million tons and the target for the Rabi season is 155.88 million tons. And the next CA is NABARD provided financial support to West Bengal. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development gave financial support of rupees 9,162 crores to West Bengal for the development of agriculture and allied sectors. And the next CA is Kharif strategy to achieve self-sufficiency in pulses. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare formulated special Kharif strategy to achieve self-sufficiency in pulses production. This is to increase the productivity of red gram, green gram and black gram. Under this, more than 20 lakh seed mini kits has been provided, which costs nearly 82 crores, where the cost is totally borne by central government. And the next CA is rupees 2,250 crore for horticulture sector. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare allotted rupees 2,250 crores for horticulture sector under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture for the financial year 2021 to 2022. This is mainly to increase the horticultural production and increase the farmers' income. While coming on to Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, this was started in the year 2014 to 2015. And the next CA is High Yielding and Pest Resistant Variety of Soya Bean, which is MACS 1407, has been developed by scientists from Maharashtra Association for the Cultivation of Science Research Institute in collaboration with Indian Council of Agricultural Research. This new soybean variety yields nearly 39 quintals per hectare and it is resistant to major pests of soybean like brittle beetle, leaf miner, whitefly, etc. And the next CA is TriFed partners with Niti Aayog to implement Vandan Vikas Kendra. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India partners with Niti Aayog for the implementation of Vandan Vikas Kendra in 39 tribal districts. This Vandan Vikas Kendra is a program for value addition, branding and marketing of minor forest produce. And Vandan Vikas Kendras was launched in the year 2018 and this was implemented by TriFed, that is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India. And the next CA is Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir released 8th installment funds to beneficiaries under PM Kisan scheme, where rupees 20,667 crores was distributed to 9.5 crore farmers. In this is the first time West Bengal joined under this scheme. And while coming on to PM Kisan, which is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, which was launched in the year 2019 and it is 100% funded by central government and government allotted rupees 65,000 crore for this scheme in the union budget for the year 2021 to 2022. And the other important CAs are eNAM partners with Kotak Mahindra Bank as digital partner. eNAM partners with Kotak Mahindra Bank as digital partner to facilitate the online transactions for stakeholders on eNAM platform, including farmers, traders and farmer producer organizations. While coming on to eNAM, which was launched in the year 2016, it is an e-market platform which facilitates buying and selling of agricultural commodities. And the next CA is Professor Jayasankar, Telangana State Agriculture University signed Memorandum of Understanding with Wadhwani Institute for Artificial Learning, Maharashtra, which is for artificial intelligence based insect pest management system. And the next is India and Israel signs 3-year Indo-Israel Agricultural Action Plan from 2021 to 2023. This is for the development in agriculture cooperation, and under this there are two initiatives, and the first one is Indo-Israel Agricultural Project Center for Excellence, and the next is Indo-Israel Villages for Excellence. And the next is area of cultivation of summer crops increased by 21.58 in the year 2021. This was increased from the year 2020 to 2021 as 21.58%, and summer crops cultivated in 80.02 lakh hectares in the year 2021 when it is compared to 2020, which is 65.82 lakh hectares. And this increase is mainly because of increase in the cultivation of pulses and oil seeds. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time, and don't forget to hit the like button too. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.